this video, we will show how to set up the Smart Clean optional feature. The Smart Clean feature will automatically have the softener perform a short backwash and rinse cycle after 7 days of non-use. This helps prevent bacteria growth from stagnant water. Press any button to start, and if the screen reads as shown, simply press and hold the settings button down for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This means that you've successfully unlocked the control valve. In order to access the Smart Clean feature, press and hold both the settings and manual regen button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the screen shows the language. Then press the manual regen button several times until you see Smart Clean off on the display screen. If you would like to turn this feature on, press either the arrow up or down buttons to highlight 10 minutes and 7 days. Then press the manual regen button and you'll notice that 10 is highlighted. You can use the arrow up and down buttons to change the time, but we recommend that you leave it at 10 minutes and press the manual regen button. It'll then advance to the number of days. Again, you can use the arrow up or down buttons to change the days, but we recommend you leave it at 7. Then press the manual regen button and programming is complete. If the softener detects that no water has been used over the past 7 days, it will now perform its 10-minute backwash and rinse cycle.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.